Hello students. In our previous video, we have seen lesson number 5 expansion formula. From that, practice set 5.3. Now from that we have solved question number 1 and question number 3. Today we will see question number 5. Now question number 5 is given 198 its cube. That is a question. So now how to find the cube of this? For this again the same, we have to apply our identity, that is a minus b its cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now for this here, this 198 I'll write in the form of 198 cube equal to, now this number is nearer to 200. So 198 I'll write in the form of 200 minus 2 its cube. Now I'll compare these two numbers with the expansion a minus b its cube. So after comparing, I'll get a means 200, b is 2. So now I'm going to apply this identity here. So a cube, that is first number cube. So I'll write it here, first number cube, that is 200 cube minus 3 into first number square. So first number, that is 200 square into second number, that is into 2. Next is plus 3 into first into second number square. So first is 200, second is 2, so 2 square minus second number cube, that is 2 cube. Now we'll solve it. Now 200 cube. Now how to find? First you have to find 2 cube is 8 and 2 zeros are given. So we have to do its cube. So 2 into 3 will do, that is what? 6. So on 8 you have to put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means this is what? 80 lakh. Minus, I'll multiply 3 2s are, that is single numbers I'll multiply first. That is 3 into 2, 6 into 200 square. So same method, 2 square is 4 and 2 zeros, 2 2s are 4. So 4 zeros will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can directly write 200 square is 40,000. Plus 3 2s are 6, 600 into 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. Now multiply again. This is 80 lakh minus 6 4s are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 lakh 40,000 plus 6 4s are 24. 0 0 minus 8. Now we'll do the positive number addition, that is same sign addition we'll do. So by adding this 80 lakh plus 2400, it will be 8002400. That is what? 80 lakh 2400. Now I am going to add these two minus numbers. So addition of two minus number will be minus 2,40,008. Now if I do the subtraction of this, my subtraction will be 2, 9, 3, then 2, 6, then 7, 7. That is 77 lakh 62,392. So I'll write it here, 77 lakh 62,392. So finally I'll write the answer. Therefore 198 cube equal to 198 cube is equal to 77 lakh 62,392 is the final answer. So for final answer also you can put a box so that it will be highlighted. Now we'll see the next sum. Now students, we'll see the next sum, that is 1 minus 1 upon a its cube, that is 7th sum. So again, solution, we have to write which identity we are going to apply. So the identity is a minus b its cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now this identity we are going to apply. So I'll write the sum, that is 1 minus 1 upon a its cube. Now I'll compare both this. By comparing, a means 1 and b means 1 upon a. So simply put the values wherever a and b is there. So a cube means first number cube minus 3 into first number square into second number plus 3 into first number into second number square minus second number cube. So here we'll solve. 1 cube is 1. 3 into 1 into this. Now simply we can do this multiplication. 3 upon a here plus 3. Now the square of this is a square. Multiply with 3. It will be 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Now here further we cannot add or subtract. So this is the answer. So 1 upon 1 minus a its cube is equal to 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube is the answer of this. So put a box and highlight the answer. Now see students, same sum like, that is question number 8. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x raised to 3. So solution, same identity we are going to apply. So I'll write this sum here. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x its cube. Now if I compare this, x upon a means x, a, and 3 upon x means b. So accordingly I'll put the values now. First number cube, that is x upon 3 its cube minus 3 into first number square into second number plus 3 into first number into second number square minus second number cube. So this way if you say loudly, it is easy to write. Now I'll do the cube of this, that is x cube is x cube and 3 cube minus, now I'll multiply the single numbers. 3 3s are 9 upon x into, now I'll do the square, x square upon 3 square 9 plus, now if I multiply 3 will get cancelled, x is remaining, x into 9 upon x square. Now next side is minus, so minus 3 cube upon x cube. So further multiplication will do, that is x cube. Now we can find 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube is 27. 9 get cancelled. X get cancelled. Now 1x is remaining. So minus x. Now from here also x and x is cancelled. So the next term is 9 upon x. So 9 upon x minus 3 cube is 27 upon x cube. So now further we cannot add, divide, multiplication. So here is the answer, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x its cube. So I'll put a box for this so that my final answer will be highlighted. Thank you. So students, remaining sums you have to solve by your own. Thank you.